we are going to create the different designs, shapes as well. So let's make the changes here. We will make an elliptical shape in the center of it. Create a new design. Keep it simple. Use the paint here. Let's generate another one. We will try to make the changes for it. Add a paint there. So there is a paint we have applied over it. Now we have find a new shape. In this way, we will try to create a boundary around it.